All right, guys, so what we're doing today is we're putting this thing together. Not fully. I'm gonna put it together where I'm comfortable to take it out for a test paddle because it's not registered. So the only legal thing I can do is paddle it with paddles. I can take it out with paddles. That's legal. But as soon as you put a motorized motorized propulsion device on it, that's when it needs to be registered. At least that is my understanding of the rules. They're very confusing. Anyway, let's get to it. The first thing I'm doing is putting the seats on. I don't know why I'm so excited about putting seats on. I don't know, but that's the first thing I'm doing. And then we got to get the battery situated and start wiring up the fish finder and the bilge pump and getting everything like that all settled. But first things first, seats. Alright, seats are in. That was actually a bigger pain in the butt than I thought it was going to be. I don't really know why, but it was. Especially this seat, because you just have to get those bolts up underneath there. See that? And then the seat will only move so much because I want to put a motor on the back of this thing, so you kind of have to sit like that. So I needed it to be offset, not like straight in the center like I put this one. Anyway, next is getting the battery boxes straight. So step one is I gotta get these battery terminals onto the battery box lid. So that's step one. Alright, so the terminals are on the battery. Now we just got to put the battery in the box and put the lid on top of the box. Set you guys up right there. And then we anytime you cut anything canvas, yeah, put the torch to it. You have a filter cap for the bilge pump, and there's no other real way to like mount it. So what I'm doing is I'm gluing the bilge pump cover down to the bottom of the boat, and then it'll just snap in place. So I thought that was kind of a good solution. And then that way, if I ever need to take the bilge pump out again, I can just cut that out. Sub pump is mounted and wiring has begun. I just made myself a battery wire for the ground, and that's going to this negative terminal. I don't know if this thing's going to be great for use for the boat, but I'm going to use this for now. It's very, very temporary. There we go. All right, it works. 12.5 volts. All right, cool. All right, so the board is on. I'm gonna switch radar on. And here's my fish finder. Bam, it's working. Then all I gotta do is hit the switch and it powers it completely down. Perfect, perfect. Alright guys, so what we're doing now is we're going to take this out for its maiden voyage. We're paddling it. No motorized engines on it whatsoever. We're just going to put it in, paddle, and just see how it does. And I might fish a little bit, you know. We'll see you at the boat ramp. Alright guys, so here's our first little bluegill in what we're going to call the UL Norman. And that's kind of an inside thing. If you know us, you'll know. But bluegill, that's awesome. Too small to keep, but maybe we'll catch a couple keepers and fry them up. Nice thing is we found out where they are. We're gonna keep on going. Yep. Oh, that's a keeper.
Is a keeper?
That's a red breast. I've never caught one of those. Oh,
Go with the movement.
All right, guys. So, this is a keeper, and this is a red breast, I believe. Oh yeah. We catch a few more of these. It's dinner time. Heck yeah. Oh, they're spiky. That's a good size one. Oh, well, I guess you have no choice but to come home with us. It's not a red breast, but it could be related to it. What the hell?
What?
Leslie, this is a perch. Wait, no. This is a walleye.
Why are you yelling?
Because I'm excited. I'm always excited about catching new fish. know. I think this is a perch. You guys tell me what you think. Is this a perch or is this a walleye? That's so cool, man. That means it's a PB.
Aw, it's a little baby.
That's a little PB. Oh! You didn't let me get my selfie.
I think I caught that.
His gill plate got me on the finger. Ow. Dude, that's awesome. New fish.
You better try to catch him again.
That's so cool. So we're back from our little test paddle. Caught some fish, so the skunk is out of the boat. The boat has been christened with fish slime. We ended up throwing back the bluegill because we just didn't get enough of them to eat, you know, and there's no sense killing them for a couple little bits. So got cover for it, so the boat is covered up really good. Unfortunately, this will be the last time you see it on the channel for a little while. Once we get the title for it, then we'll be able to register it, we'll be able to get motor for it, and then you guys will see an epic journey. Until the next time you guys see it, you guys are just gonna have to say goodbye. All right, thank you for watching, we'll see you next time.